来一个鸡蛋炒饭哈，蔬菜还有。
要
Now they'll made a egg fried rice for us. We ordered egg fried rice here. You can see they're putting oil and here's the egg. This is Chinese local street food. They put mushrooms now. One kind of mushrooms here. It's very famous here. Putting some vegetables. I think it's cabbage or lettuce. I don't know. Maybe. Now they're putting some spices. Here street food are so cheap. You can say the food is cost only like rarely it touches $1. This is soya sauce, I think. Here in China, every boy is like their master chef, and the lady beside her, maybe her wife or she's boss here. It's ready. Now they'll serve it with a box and a chopstick, I think. Yeah.